Hi guys, this is Sergio Benavides, attorney at law from the law offices of Sergio H. Benavides. I practice criminal defense and immigration law. I'm doing this video to talk about the COVID vaccine. For people that want to apply for a green card in the United States, you're required to get a medical exam to be performed by a civil surgeon. During the medical exam, the doctor will check and see if you've been vaccinated for all of the required vaccines. And if not, they're going to give you those vaccines. One of the vaccines that I've been hearing from clients that they don't want administered is the COVID vaccine. So what can you do if you don't want to be vaccinated with the COVID vaccine? Well, there are a couple of exceptions under the law. For example, if it's not medically recommended, you've got some sort of medical condition, or for example, it's not appropriate for children under 14. There's also an exception that it won't be required if you come from a country where they don't have enough supply and it's not available. But if you have some other motive for not wanting the vaccine other than those exceptions, there exists a waiver. There are two waivers actually. The government will consider waiving the vaccine requirement for COVID if you have moral reasons to not have it administered or if you have religious reasons. But you have to have evidence to back that up. It's a complicated process. You'd have to file a waiver, which is on USCIS form I-601. But you can't just waive the COVID vaccine requirement just because you don't believe in it or just because you think the government's trying to microchip you. That's not going to work. So there are limited waivers and you need to qualify for them, and it's a lot of work. You have to supply the evidence to support that. So this is for people to understand why. Why is because the government has the right to keep people that can spread dangerous diseases from coming into the United States. It's been a long-standing policy, and that's why vaccines in general are required. And as of 2021, the government has now been requiring the COVID vaccine for people that want to get a green card. But there are waivers, but you need to qualify for them.